Also at Capitol today, lawmakers passed a bill that does not require motorcyclists to wear helmets.
LB 138 would allow riders over the age of 21 to forego a helmet once they complete a safety course. Our Brent Weber says some see this as a chance to train safer riders.
For those who get out on the highway looking for adventure, the choice to wear a helmet legally will be yours in Nebraska. The vote to repeal the state's helmet law already has veteran riders revving up to enroll in the required safety course.
These are people who've been riding, they're veteran riders, and they've been riding for years, unfortunately unlicensed, but they wanted to come in, get the safety course under their belt.
AAA is part of a coalition that opposed the repeal of the requirement for licensed riders 21 and over. Brian Ortner said they're disheartened by the vote because it impacts traffic safety and ultimately will cost lives.
But if you look at states who have recently passed laws to repeal their helmet bill, the numbers have gone up. Most specifically, Missouri is probably our closest neighbor. Back in 2020, repealed their helmet law. The unhelmeted motorcyclist deaths increased nearly 800%.
Brian said AAA will continue to focus on safety education, while riding mentors like Steph see an open door.
You could have gotten your license 20 years ago. Things have changed so much. They've changed immensely in those 20 years. So it's important to, stay up on, your education and up to date on training. And so I hope that this brings, students in to learn more and to become better riders. These are what we use for our Harley-Davidson Riding Academy.
She respects the choice the law now allows in Nebraska, but she also always wears a helmet and in class tells it straight.
What we teach is how a helmet protects you and how important it is to have a helmet when you are riding as a resort of almost a second chance if there are any impacts and any scenarios where you have even just a slight bump on your head. A helmet can help eliminate any massive brain injuries.
Nobody who was opposed to putting this bill back to repeal the helmet law is against riders. It's about safety that's most important. The public roadways, whether you're on the interstate or the city streets, is the responsibility of every one of us.
If we can get one person just to learn something new, just because they want to ride without their helmet, that's still a win for me.
On your side in Omaha, Brent Weber, 6 News.
And in the required training classes, students must still wear a DOT-approved helmet. The law goes into effect once signed by Governor Pillen.